Hello students, how are you? Studying through e-learning must be an amazing experience for you all. Studying through e-learning saves your precious time and your studies continue without any hindrance. Today, we are here with the third chapter of your social studies subject. Hope you continue studying and learning while enjoying the videos.
Hello students, you all know well that we live on earth, but how does this earth looks like? Let us study about our earth with this chapter, Study Earth through Globe and Map. Our earth is not a sphere completely. Its shape is geoid. It is slightly flat at the top and the bottom. Our earth is like this orange. It is flat from top and bottom. These flat parts of Earth are called poles of Earth. North Pole is at the topmost point of Earth and the point which is at the bottom is the South Pole. Axis of Earth passes through these poles on which Earth rotates regularly. Earth is tilted on its axis by 23.4 degrees. In the center of Earth, there is an imaginary line called equator that divides Earth into two halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Half part of Earth is called hemisphere. Earth rotates from west to east direction on its axis. Students, let us study further about movements of Earth. Students, let us study about revolution and rotation of Earth. Along with moving on its axis, Earth revolves around the Sun also. Earth revolves around the Sun on an elliptical path. This movement of Earth is called revolution. Earth rotates North Pole to South Pole on its own axis in west to east direction. This movement of Earth is called rotation. Earth takes 24 hours to complete one round on its axis, which makes day and night. The part of Earth facing the Sun is day, while the other part is night where the rays do not reach. About 500 years ago, a Polish priest, Nicolaus Copernicus, declared that the earth moves around the sun, and the ancient Greek mathematician Pythagoras challenged that the earth is round and moves on its axis. Revolution of earth causes winter, autumn, spring, and summer seasons that we experience throughout the year. Earth takes 365 and 1 by 4 days to complete its journey around the Sun. This journey makes 1 year. After every 3 years, the fourth year has 366 days. This year is called leap year.
So, have you enjoyed the chapter? Now, please do the worksheets being shown to you. Great! We feel that you all have understood the chapter correctly. Now, you will be watching the video to make you understand the difference between a globe and a map. Please listen carefully.
Hello students, today we'll discuss the study of earth using globe and map. Model of earth is called globe, using which we can see the entire earth. Map is a sketch of the entire earth or a part of it on a flat surface. A globe is a three-dimensional sphere, while a map is two-dimensional. Globe represents the whole earth, whereas a map may represent the whole earth or just a part of it. A globe can be used to get a broad level picture of the world, while maps provide more specific information about different places. Globe being spherical in shape, spin around an axis. However, maps are a representation on a piece of paper and doesn't spin. Globes are made of hard materials and cannot be folded, making them difficult to be carried around. However, you can easily fold and carry maps along with you.
Isn't amazing, students? It's learning with fun. We hope you all have enjoyed studying by watching videos. Now, some worksheets are being shown to you. Please do all the worksheets in your notebook and ensure to get it checked from your teacher when school will reopen. Till then, stay at home, stay safe. Okay, bye bye, students.